In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to use Stremio on TV. So let's get started. Now, if you're using an Android TV or Google TV or just simply a smart TV, then this is basically the easiest way to use Stremio on, okay? So you're just gonna turn on your TV, open the Google Play Store app and then search for Stremio. Then obviously install it, then open Stremio and log in. Then you can go to the add-on section and install the add-ons you want, and then you can choose a movie or series you want to watch and just play it, okay? Then we have a Samsung or LG TV, okay? Now these TVs usually have no native Stremio app, okay? So you have to use one of these two methods which I'll be talking about. Now option A, or the first method, is to cast from phone or laptop. So you can install Stremio on your phone or laptop. Make sure that your TV and the device are on the same Wi-Fi. Then open the movie in Stremio and then tap the cast icon and then select your TV. Now casting works best if the TV supports Chromecast. Then option B is to use an external device, and this is basically a recommended method. So you can buy or use one of these. So for example, you have Chromecast with Google TV, you have Amazon Fire Stick, or an Android TV box, okay? Then you just plug it into TV and then install Stremio from Play Store and then use it like a normal app, okay? And this is the most stable solution for Samsung or LG TVs. Now lastly, we're going to talk about Apple TVs. Now they just have no native Stremio app. So the workaround is that you install Stremio on Mac or iPhone, then use AirPlay to mirror to Apple TV, okay? And the last way is using a laptop plus an HDMI cable, and this always works, okay? So you connect laptop to TV with HDMI, you set TV input to HDMI and then open Stremio on laptop and then play literally anything and then it should show on the TV and there is no lag and no compatibility issues. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.